Hello everyone, in this video I want to go over a common problem that any printer will have. This is an HP LaserJet M28, 29, 30, and 31 series printers. It will also, this fix that I'm going to do is going to also apply to M139 and M140 printers from HP. So if you're trying to make copies, this will not reflect on prints. There is other problems that we may go over for prints, but this one in particular is about copies. So I made a blank copy right here, and check out this page. You can see that it's pretty dirty. It has dots and dust on this printout. This is a copy of just a blank, and this is a copy of a test that I did on my other printer. You can see the same stuff over here. You can see how both of them have it pretty much the same spot. The reason for that, and if you're having that on your copies, or if you're trying to do scans also, it will appear on your scanned documents. The reason for that is very simple, is because the glass here needs some cleaning. So let's take a look at that. Here's like a closer look at it. You can see how dirty this glass top is. And when I did the blank one, it also picked up some dust from this white backer from the cover. So something that we need to do is obviously clean it. There are a few things that you want to make sure that you are aware of when cleaning the glass top. Is first, to never spray water or window cleaner at this table. Or the flat top here. It will it might get inside here under the plastic, and then in the future you will have bad prints. You will have damage inside of it, a water damage. So it's very simple. Just to keep it from that is to always spray the window cleaning solution or the warm water, whatever you're using, to spray at the rag or at a paper towel. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. This is a simple window cleaner solution that usually does the job. I'm going to wet the top here, including all these areas. It's collecting a lot of debris here, or dust. That accumulates with time, and sometimes you can just have a piece of hair that landed here, and it will be on your copy. So it's very simple there. You just remove that. So let's go ahead and clean this. These dots right here are kind of stuck. If something like whiteout is on there, also look for that. You may not be able to see it right away, especially that, you know, everything inside of this particular model is white, so you might not be able to spot it right away, but that's something to take care of. These black dots here seems to be like some residue that's not easy to remove, but alcohol removes it very well. I'm using this alcohol swab right here, and it's doing a great job. And also some of the dots over here may need some alcohol to help clean it off. Just kind of rub it on there, and it will usually should go away. But this is not as crucial as the glass top here. That's what basically picks up the picture, or the image is off of this glass. So after you've done this, you will see the difference in the copies and the scans. One more spot where I need to just kind of inspect it closely, and then let it dry before you close this or put any document down. Let's go ahead and make a blank copy. See how that looks. And this is a clean page. This is what it looked like before, when I was just doing the blank. See dots all over. Now looking at this one, clean and ready to go. So that's how you get rid of all that dirt on your copies and scans. Very simple, easy to do, and you will have great scans and copies. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like if you were able to fix your printer. Check out my other content and have yourself a great day.